Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Legit PayPal transfers versus dark web scams. How to use PayPal safely and legally. Update 2025. A crucial guide to navigate the digital payment landscape securely. So, global scale and security. PayPal handles over 45 billion transactions annually, secured by advanced encryptions and robust buyer's protection protocols. So the secure payments, the platform enables secure payments globally without requiring you to reveal your sensitive financial details to the seller. Risk and vulnerability. Despite its security, PayPal popularity, 426 million user, makes its prime target for cyber criminals and sophisticated scams. So the PayPal ecosystem, trusted by 426 million users worldwide. So the dark web danger, 15.8 million PayPal credit uh, credentials for sales. In August 25, a hacker known as Chucky underscore BF reported offered 15.8 million email password pairs linked to PayPal accounts for small fees on the dark web for $750. The data was likely acquired through malware, keyloggers, or phishing attacks on your user's personal device, not via direct PayPal system breach. This compromised data facilitates widespread frauds, including credential stuffing, sophisticated phishing attempts, and account takeovers campaign. Common PayPal scams to watch for in 2025 updated. So phishing campaigns. So despite emails mimicking PayPal security alerts, fix your account issues, something like that, that leads user to fake login page designed to steal credentials. Overpayment scams. A buyer sends excess funds, asks for a partial refund, then cancels the original payment, leaving the seller responsible for the refund amount. Fake invoice and request. So fraudulently payment requests or invoice sent to confuse victims into paying for service they never ordered, often using urgent language. And here is the account profile scams. Scammers trick users into adding an authorized second user to their account, effectively granting them full access and control. Real world scam example: the set up your account profile email. So the email appears to come from legitimate address like service at paypal.com, but this is spoof, a fake. It use urgent language and mention large fake charges, often 900,000 $900, and crypto wallets to disorient and frighten and the recipient. The malicious link tricks the users into adding a secondary user or authorizing a new device, giving scammers persistent access to your PayPal account. And keep tip for you guys: key red flags to identify scammers: generic rating, unexpected requests, suspicious domains in the link URL, and intense deadline designed to rush your decision making. Clear? How legitimate PayPal transfers work. GNC, or good service, use the payment method ensures you benefit from comprehensive buyer protection, dispute resolution service, and eligible refund policies essential for purchase. Layered security: all legitimate transactions are protected by end-to-end encrypted SSL and continuous browser integrity check to prevent eavesdropping and data manipulation. Enhanced authorization. So legitimate transaction often leverage two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for logging in or confirming high-value payments, significantly increasing security. And 24/7 monitoring. PayPal employs sophisticated AI and make machines learning algorithm to monitor transaction around the clock, flagging and blocking suspicious activities and suspicious activities automatically. How to use PayPal safely and legally. Best practice: direct access only. Always navigate to the paypal.com by tapping it directly into your browser or using the official mobile app. Activate 2FA or two-factor authentication. So for and strong add a strong password. So whenever you enable that on your account, use unique complex password for PayPal, ideally stored in the secure password manager. And monitor activity, review your transaction history and account settings frequently. Set up real notification for every login attempt and payment process. Be skeptic of strangers. Never send money to people you don't know, especially in response to unsolicited or suspicious payment requests. And choose correct payments type for purchase. Always select good and service to ensure you have buyer protection. Avoid using friends and family for commercial transaction. Protecting yourself from dark web credential abuse. Immediate password change. Just change your password immediately. If you suspect any something about your PayPal, it's been compromised, just change your password immediately. And monitor exposure. Utilize digital identity protection service that scans the dark web for your leaked email address or password, allowing you to proactive defense. So heighten the phishing awareness. Be extremely cautious of any email, text, or phone call claiming to be PayPal, especially if it's reference security breach or ask for login details. Prompt reporting: report all suspicious email, message, or unauthorized transactions directly to PayPal Security Center as soon as possible. PayPal security features that help you stay safe. As you see right here, the one that has the bigger one is the advanced encryption key. Next is the passkey. Third is the buyer protection, and the last one is fraud detection. So advanced encryption in 128-bit secure socket layer SSS and inquires transaction IDs, ensures the data confidentiality during the transaction. So it's the number one biggest feature that helps your PayPal stay safe. In conclusion, stay vigilant, stay safe, secure. PayPal is a powerful and secure payment method platform when you use correctly, but personal uh, vigilance remain the strongest line of defense against ever evolving scammers. Always remember, know the red flags and utilize PayPal's built-in security features, and when in doubt, verify information directly on the official PayPal site. Never pursue to rush or click suspicious links. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video because you enjoyed. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.